What happened to your sense of urgency? Better yet, did you actually ever have any? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Right, you need to know, you know what, there's something called a sense of urgency. Things don't have to be put on a list every time. Sometimes things need to be done. You need to do things and get done with them, right? Because there's a time frame for things. People want to put things, on a list, and people are always waiting. Yeah, I'll get around to it, or I'll get around to this, or I'll get around to that, but not knowing that if you don't do this, it doesn't open up the door for this, and if you don't do that, it doesn't open up the door for this. So whilst you're waiting on this, you're basically holding 10 other things back, because everything's interconnected, right? You need to have a sense of urgency. If something needs to be done within a particular time frame, do it within that particular time frame and let that be done. If that's where the line ends, then okay, at the very least you don't have something else to do. But if not, you allow yourself the opportunity to open up another door. Why? Because it was done at the correct time. Because if something is to be done now, right? If you need to make a phone call today to set up a meeting with someone that's in town tomorrow, and you know what, you then end up calling them tomorrow morning, it's too late. Why? Because it's tomorrow morning. Now you're trying to tell them to set up a meeting for that day. It's too late. Why? Because they've probably already got plans. You've just missed your opportunity. Maybe that's the person you needed to get you from A to B. Now if you make the phone call today before they make any other plans, and you pencil yourself in for tomorrow, you've penciled yourself in for tomorrow, which means you're going to see them tomorrow, and that there is your opportunity. If that is it for you, you get to sit down with this person, you run your idea past them, they run whatever they need to run back past you, and if it works, good. If it doesn't, good. But if it does work, it now leads to another opportunity. Maybe he now or she now gets to make another phone call to someone else, or they invite you somewhere else. It keeps moving. But you not understanding that there's something called time, and there's something called being sense of urgency, you waited until the next day to make the phone call, and all you got back was, I would really love to do this, but it's too late now because I've got something else booked in. We're gonna have to do it in 4 months. Everything's interconnected a lot of times, but the world doesn't rotate around you. Things have to be done at certain times. Things have to be done at the correct time. Why? Because it's not only about you. You understand that? Life will be a lot easier, in my opinion anyway. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.